what is the future of your space for your business? We spent a lot of time and energy and planning up front. We did a lot of surveys, we had a lot of meetings. We took that data and did pilots within our space of what the future of space can be. And we pulled all of that together, partnered with the design aspect of the aesthetics, and really came up with a space that we feel is perfect for us.
The design of the space was intentionally created to make a path for people as they enter and be able to walk a client through that evolution of workplace and the company.
We could definitely sense the need for not only a variety of smaller spaces, but a driver to get people to engage together again when in the space. So what was the cafe? What was the boardroom? How can we make that space one and be able to be utilized throughout the day? Dual functions for many of the spaces. We have designed the space with very little drywall. When you really look at it, most of the walls are steel case, movable, demountable walls. So at any given time, a large private office could convert into 4 smaller rooms, or it can be torn down and turned into an open collaboration area. One of the first things that you see when you walk in our entrance will be our leadership teams, so that when you walked into Hyphn, you are going to see bodies, you're going to see people working, you are going to see employees here.
So the way that this showroom was designed was by neighborhoods. So each neighborhood, essentially each team, has its own space. Having that neighborhood-based layout helps cut down on emails, it helps cut down on the team's chatter. It just helps you work better as a team.
Our spaces are really versatile, so we really want each space to have multiple functions. So again, a conference room isn't a conference room. When it's not in use, it can be a focus place, a place for someone to go in and get some heads down work. There's a lot of both open office meeting areas and lounge type settings, and then enclosed meeting spaces as well, so you can kind of flex what type of meeting you need to host. We're starting off the design with technology being at the forefront. We know that we are always meeting virtually now, and that without technology, a space really falls flat. We're bringing technology as an integration to that initial design, so it is baked into every space. So Fringe is our commercial styling division within Hyphn. It is a lot more than what that tagline really says. To me, it's a very tangible experience when you walk into a space. I think implementing it throughout this new showroom is really the best testament to what the service does and what it is. When I come into this showroom, I just feel more comfortable. We wanted every employee who came through here to also feel like they had a sense of pride in this new space. To be able to show that uniqueness and that quirkiness throughout our space and the coolness, and while we are professional, we're also very creative and innovative and down and dirty. And we always talk about that grit that our team has, and that is emphasized through the decor and the lighting and the rugs and the things that really tie these spaces together. It's almost like people are meeting in their own living rooms.
It's built to get work done. We are able to meet with our coworkers, with our clients, either remotely or in person. There's plenty of spaces, different spaces, standing height, meeting spaces, or collaboration spaces like this that are more relaxed and in a lounge setting.
It really gives me a sense of pride working here. And I love when clients come in and tour our space to get ideas for their space, and they're just floored. They didn't know that this was possible. This is a new way of working, and we are really hoping to be the leaders in the market.
We are now Hyphn, but we are a family. Many of us have been here for 20 to 30 years, and we want this to feel like our home. We want this to be as comfortable and welcoming and open, so that everybody feels like this is just an extension of their home.